Good afternoon, everyone. We're back and welcome to our 1 Mindanao STL 3 p.m. draw. It's Saturday, June 19, 2021. The following games to be played: STL Pares game, Square 2 and Square 3. We're showing here a list of areas in Mindanao with the STL operation: Agusan del Norte, Agusan del Sur, Basilan, Bukidnon, Cagayan de Oro City, Compostela Valley, Cotabato City, Davao del Norte, Davao del Sur except Davao City, Davao Oriental, Hidagat Islands, General Santos City, Misamis Occidental, Misamis Oriental, North Cotabato, Sarangani, South Cotabato, Surigao del Norte, Surigao del Sur, and Zamboanga del Norte. Ako po si Rolando Chanco as a draw master. Kasama namin si Sergio Cabanilla as draw supervisor. Our panel of judges sa pamumuno ni Chairperson Joanna Michelle Panela, member sa Angel Galensoga at si Aiza Galagar. Si Jerson Durag naman at saka si Joseph Vela as our videographers for this afternoon. Under ng pre-draw procedure, una yung pag-inspect at pag-testing ng ating mga draw machines, pag-verify at pag-select ng ating mga global selection cases, weighing and loading of our draw balls, and then yung actual draw nga. Hinahanya namin ang panel of judges to please to come forward. Pag-inspect na lang isa-isa ating mga draw machines. Bali, tatlo sila all in all. Salamat sa inyo. Okay, as you can see, all thumbs up ang ating mga ladies. Next nito, we'll be conducting the individual testing for each draw machine, starting with STL Pares draw machine number 1, Square 2 draw machine number 2, and Square 3 draw machine number 3. 3, 2, 1, mix. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, select. 3, 2, 1, mix. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, select. 3, 2, 1, mix. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, select. 3, 2, 1, mix. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, select. 3, 2, 1, mix. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, select. 3, 2, 1, mix. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, select. 'Okay, pagpipiliin namin ang ating chairperson na isang number that will be reserved for our Pares game. Draw case assigned, okay. Number 2. Next, let's see kung anong number 2. Okay, number 1. Itatabi ni Sir Jun to, hindi daw gagamitin. Okay, next, we have 3 envelopes here. Pagpipili si chairperson ng isang ating chairperson, isang letter for our Cert 2 Global Case Assignment. Letter C. Okay, let's see kung anong next letter for our Cert 3 Global Case Assignment. This time is letter A. So, itong titirang letter. Okay, as shown, it's letter B. Hindi rin ito gagamitin tabi ni Sir Jun. Okay. Before namin buksan isa-isa, basahin. Allow me to read the global case 2 with pieces of principal number A473735. Next, global case letter C with the pieces of pencil number A473737. Okay, let's check.
243.
Okay, 0 to 9 in order sila. Global case letter A with pieces of pencil number A473732. Thank you. Again, let's take a look. Nandito pa lahat. Okay, global 0 to 9 compared to 6. In order.
244.
We remember how to start the weighing of the balls. First for our SL Paris, draw balls 1 to 38. First ball number 1, 2.7.
Check.
Ball 2, 2.7.
Check.
Ball 3, 2.7.
Check.
Ball 4, 2.6. Ball 5, 2.7.
Check.
Ball 6, 2.7.
Check.
Ball 7, 2.7.
Check.
Ball 8, 2.7.
Check.
Ball 9, 2.7.
Check.
Ball 10, 2.7.
Check.
Ball 11, 2.8.
Check.
Ball 12, 2.7.
Check.
Ball 13, 2.7.
Check.
Ball 14, 2.7.
Check.
Ball 15, 2.7.
Check.
Ball 16, 2.7.
Check.
Ball 17, 2.7.
Check.
Ball 18, 2.7.
Check.
Ball 19, 2.6.
Check.
Ball 20, 2.7.
Check.
Ball 21, 2.7.
Check.
Ball 22, 2.7.
Check.
Ball 23, 2.7.
Check.
Ball 24, 2.7. Ball 25, 2.7.
Check.
Ball 26, 2.7.
Check.
Ball 27, 2.7.
Check.
Ball 28, 2.7.
Check.
Ball 29, 2.7.
Check.
Ball 30, 2.7.
Check.
Ball 31, 2.7.
Check.
Ball 32, 2.7.
Check.
Ball 33, 2.8.
Check.
Ball 34, 2.7.
Check.
Ball 35, 2.7.
Check.
Ball 36, 2.7.
Check.
Ball 37, 2.7.
Check.
Last ball number 38 is 2.7.
Check.
Next for our square to draw balls 0 to 9. Start with first ball number 0. First ball 0 to 2.8.
Check.
Ball 1 to 2.7.
Check.
Ball 2 to 2.8.
Check.
Ball 3 to 2.8.
Check.
Ball 4 to 2.8.
Check.
Ball 5 to 2.7.
Check.
Ball 6 2.8.
Check.
Ball 7 2.9.
Check.
Ball 8 2.8.
Check.
Last ball number 9 it's 2.8.
Check.
Next for our short three draw balls 0 to 9. First ball 0 is 2.7.
Check.
Ball 1 2.7.
Check.
Ball 6 ball 2 2.6.
Check.
Ball 3 2.6.
Check.
Ball 4 2.7.
Check.
Ball 5 2.6.
Check.
Ball 6 2.6.
Check.
Ball 7 2.7.
Check.
Ball 8 2.6.
Check.
Last ball number 9 it's 2.7.
Check.
That ends our weighing of the balls. Inaanyahan po natin ang ating chairperson to please to load our STL Pares draw balls 1 to 38 at draw machine number 1 with the help and assistance of our draw supervisor. Let's start with first ball number 1, so first 2, then 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So next 2, ball number 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Continuation sa third, ball number 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. Support and last week, ball number 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, and the last ball number 38. Next to be loaded will be square to draw balls 0 to 9. This time sa draw machine number 2. Let's start with first ball number 0. The first 2, then 1, 2. So next, ball number 3, 4. Continuation sa third, ball number 5, 6, 7. Support and last 2, ball number 8, and the last ball number 9. This time, we be loaded 30 draw ball 0 to 9, so draw machine number 3. Let's start with first ball number 0, then 1, 2, so next ball number 3, 4, then sa third, ball number 5, 6, 7, support and last with 8, and the last ball number 9. Okay, thank you, Madam Chairman. Okay, actual draw na po tayo. Let's play the first game, the STL Pares game.
I'm ready. 3, 2, 1, mix.
First winning number is number 9. Again, it's number 09. Okay, I'll repeat. It's 09.
I'm ready. 3, 2, 1, mix.
Second winning number is 02. I'll repeat, it's 02. For our Pares game result, it's 09 and 02 in exact order. Let's now play the swear to game.
I'm ready. 3, 2, 1, mix.
First number is number 3. Again, it's number 3.
I'm ready. 3, 2, 1, mix.
second and final winning number is number 5. Again, it's number 5. For our Swear 2 result, it's 3 and 5 in exact order. Let's now play the Swear 3 game.
Timer ready. 3, 2, 1. Mix.
First number is number 3. Again, it's number 3.
Timer ready. 3, 2, 1. Mix.
Second number is number 5. I'll repeat, it's number 5.
Timer ready. 3, 2, 1. Mix.
Third and final winning number is number 4. Again, it's number 4. For our Swear 3 result is 3, 5, 4 in exact order. Diyan po nagtatapos ang ating 3 p.m. draw. Recap to our just concluded 3 p.m. draw. First, for our STL Pares game, it's 09 and 02 in exact order. Then for our STL Swear 2, 3 and 5 also in exact order. Lastly, for our STL Swear 3, it's 3, 5, and 4 also it has to be in exact order. Congratulations to all the lucky winners. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.